Hi everybody, Marco Carbajo here from businesscreditbuilders.org. Today's video we are going to talk about how to get a business credit card with bad personal credit. Now we've done videos in the past where I talked about getting a secured business credit card. That's where you actually put a security deposit to obtain that card. But this card is different. This is actually business credit card you can get with no security deposit, completely unsecured. There's no credit check, so you don't have to worry about how bad your personal credit is. And there's no personal guarantee, which means there's no recourse to you as a business owner in the event of default. Okay, so what's really exciting about this card is also it reports. It reports to Equifax Business as well as Creditsafe. These are two business credit reporting agencies. So if you don't have a credit file with these agencies, this will help you create a credit file for your company with those two bureaus. So let's get started on this particular card. Now, the name of the company is called Fair Figure Capital Business Card. The website is capitalbusinesscard.com. That'll take you right to the website to get set up. Because I want to explain to you the steps you need to follow before you actually apply and if you pre-qualify for this card. So don't go there yet. Okay, so what is this Fair Figure Capital Business Card? Well, Fair Figure provides an entire monitoring tool that's built in and connected to this card, which is really, really exciting. Now, to get registered, there's no cost for you to register. There's no subscription fees or anything like that. It's free access to your Creditsafe account, which is one of the business credit reporting agencies, which I will get into in a minute. But this is an all-in-one business credit monitoring tool that provides you your business credit scores with Creditsafe and Equifax Business, your personal credit scores and full reports, and there's two different subscriptions. There's a free subscription, which doesn't cost you anything, and that will give you just access to your Creditsafe business report, and that's it. And then there's a paid subscription, okay? This is their monitoring tool. The credit card is completely separate, and I'll share with you how to apply with that within the platform. They also give you the business credit card, which I talked about. There's no credit check to apply for the credit card for the business, as well as no PG. And as you're making on-time payments, you'll get rewards for that, which is exciting. But what's really unique about it, you heard me talk about that you don't have to put down a security deposit for this card. The way this works is when they do a review and they look at your bank data, they also want you to be at least 3 months in business, which I'll get into in a minute. They actually fund your card. So you actually get the funds loaded onto your business credit card, which you can use for expenses, you can use for whatever you need. And they set up repayment schedule for the funds that are on that card. So you can use it just like a regular credit card, but the funds are automatically right there loaded on the card for you. And you can cash back as well when you're using this card. This helps you build business credit. So this includes a monitoring suite as well. Now, what I want to talk about is once they load, let's say you're approved for $500. So starting off, they approve anywhere from $500 to $1,000. So they'll load your card. Let's say you got a $500 business credit card. They load that $500 and you have anywhere from 4 to 8 weeks to repay on that $500 they loaded on your card. So that's a weekly repayment to pay back, and that's reported to the business credit bureaus. Okay, so this is like a funded credit card that you can use for expenses or for whatever else you need, which is really a different aspect. But what's unique about it is no credit check, no PG. What does it take to qualify? You have to only be at least 3 months in business. So it's very minimum qualifications. Now, of course, that's why you're not getting these huge credit limits, because there's very minimal qualifications. But it's great for you as a business owner. Let's say you've been doing some business. You've been putting everything on your business debit card like that you get at the bank, which doesn't help you build business credit. Let's say you've been paying some expenses with maybe a personal credit card, or you're just writing checks and you want to start building up your business credit, but let's say you have bad personal credit. Well, this is an option for you to start building up your business credit. Let's suppose you don't want to use this, go the secured business credit card route. You don't want to put up $500 to secure a card to get for your business. This is an option for you, okay? You have to at least be doing $2,000 a month in deposits for your business. So it's a minimum revenue requirement. We're not telling you have to be doing $20,000, $30,000 a month in revenue. Many of the fintech cards out there in the marketplace want you to be doing at least $5,000 or more a month in revenue. This is $2,000 minimum deposits a month. And you have to have a 30 Fundex score. Well, what is a Fundex score? You'll know Dun & Bradstreet has Paydex score, Experian has the Intella score, etc. The business credit bureaus have their own scoring models. Well, with this Fair Figure, they've created their own business credit scoring model called the Fundex score. So what I'm going to share with you how to walk you through this, how do you generate your Fundex score? Because they do an assessment and they assign your company a Fundex score. So you have to have at least a 30 Fundex score, which I'll get into in a second, what they look for. There's no credit check and no PG. So when you go to capitalbusinesscard.com, the first thing you're going to do is sign up. So when you go to capitalbusinesscard.com, this is the site. You'll see you just put in your email here, or you can also click join today. It's going to take you to that sign up page. Really, really simple. So when you sign up, you're just providing some basic information. This doesn't cost you anything to get the monitoring tool, the free one. But that's the first thing you have to do is register, okay? So once you do that, then you're gonna wanna find your business in their system. So this is similar to what you do if you go to a business credit bureau, so like DMB, you're gonna search for your business, you're gonna verify that's your company. So in their platform, you're gonna look up your business, you put your business name, your EIN if you have it, and they'll come up with the results. Now, if your business is there, you're going to claim your business. That way, they have your business. It gets into the monitoring system to create a Fundex score. Okay? If your business is not located, then they also have a manual connection, a way for them to manually look up and find your business. If your business cannot be found, that's okay. That means that you don't have a credit file with Experian, you don't, or excuse me, with Equifax. You don't have a credit file with Creditsafe. This is going to help you create one if you get their business credit card or if you get one of their subscription services. So your first thing you want to do is try to locate and find your business. Now, the next thing you're going to do, if you located your business, great, you want to claim it. If your business cannot be found, then the next thing you want to do is connect your bank account. So this will help them assess your bank data. They use Plaid, which is a technology that a lot of the fintech lenders use it's read-only access. You basically find your bank, your business bank account, they assess it, they look at the data, your deposit history, revenues, etc. But that's what you have to do. But in this particular shot here, you'll see Creditsafe 30. So let's say, for example, in the previous side, you did locate your business, okay? So you claimed your business, it got set up in the monitoring tool here, and then they pulled your Creditsafe report, and this is, they're sharing with you right here, your credit score was Creditsafe, as well as what your credit prediction would be. But that's what you would see. You're not going to be able to see anything else because you're under a free model right now. It's not mandatory. You don't have to get a subscription, but if you want more data, you want access to your Equifax score, you want access to all your personal credit scores and reports, then you have to upgrade, okay? And that costs $29.99 a month for their monthly subscription service, and I'll share with you some screenshots on that. But to get us back to connect your bank account, once you connect your bank account, they read that data, and then they're going to generate a Fundex score. The data they look at for a Fundex score is how old your business is, how many trade lines you have reporting, if you have trade lines reporting on Creditsafe or Equifax. If you don't, then they don't have that data. They also are going to look at your bank data, the revenues, the deposit activity, how long you had the account, etc. And that will generate a Fundex score. If your Fundex score is 30 minimum, then you can apply for the business credit card. If your Fundex score is below 30, don't apply. Okay, so you need to do some other things. Maybe your revenue is only $500 a month. Maybe you have no revenue going through your bank account. So maybe you don't meet that requirement, but you have to have at least a 30 Fundex score to apply. Let's say you do. Then you're going to click this Apply for Capital right here button in the portal. That'll bring up this particular screen. This is when you're going to apply for the business credit card. That's very, very simple. There's no credit check, no PG. And let's say you get approved. They issue your business credit card. Well, in the system, in their monitoring tool here, you're going to have access to your card, your payment schedule, how much you have, etc. So this is a really all-in-one system, which I love that they have set up. Pretty powerful. Now, let's say you do upgrade and you get their subscription service. Now, keep in mind, with the business credit card, they're reporting that to Equifax Business and Creditsafe if you have their business credit card. If you decide to upgrade to the subscription service and pay $29.99 a month, they're also reporting that subscription payment as another trade line to Equifax Business and Creditsafe. So that's two trade lines you can get from this one company. So let's say you upgraded and now they're going to give you access to your Equifax scores as well as your full reports. Okay, so this is just a snapshot of what the score would look like, your portal would look like if you upgraded, and you're also going to be able to pull your personal credit reports. But let's first talk about the Equifax data. This is your scores and your limit, your funding prediction based on the data they have on you, your risk score, your Equifax payment index, and it's pretty comprehensive because they break this all down for you. This is your Creditsafe trade lines, your Equifax trades, how many trade lines you have reporting, your trade balances, etc. So this is all the data they provide to you in the system. Now, because you upgraded, if you upgrade to their subscription model of $29.99 a month, then you're also going to get access to all three of your personal credit scores and reports. This is your FICO scores as well. So you'll see you have all these different options here. You can see your full report, your score factors, credit alerts. You get a score simulator. Now here in score factors, they break down an overview for you on your usage, your payment history. So not only are you having your Equifax business reports and score, your Creditsafe business score and reports, but also your personal. All right. Now they also give you a score simulator. So at times you might think, well, if I pay down some debts, or I pay down this card, or if I pay off this balance, or what if I get a late pay here? This is going to give you some simulations so you can determine what steps you could take to improve your credit scores. Now, there's also identity theft protection that's included if you have their subscription, the $29.99 a month subscription. They give you identity theft protection. We know a lot of the services out there do provide that, which does come in handy, but this is just a quick snapshot of their identity theft protection. This particular card, what I share with you is how to get a business credit card with no credit check, no PG, so they're not looking at your personal credit. You do have to have some revenues to be able to qualify for this particular credit card for your business. But remember, the long-term strategy here is, number one, this is going to help you build your business credit file and get listed with Equifax Business as well as Creditsafe. This is also going to position you to qualify for higher credit limits with Fair Figure as you make your repayments on time, you use your credit, etc. Okay, and most importantly, this is protecting your personal credit because none of the usage, the debt you carry on your card, or anything is reporting your personal credit, and there's no liability to you because there's no PG. Okay, so this is just one additional tool I want to share with you in this video to help you build business credit. This may be a great opportunity for you to secure a credit card for yourself without having to put down a security deposit. So if you're looking for more ways to build business credit, check out our website at businesscreditbuilders with an S.org. Remember, we have done for you funding. We do business credit card funding, loans and lines of credit. We even do personal funding as well. And then we also have our step-by-step business credit building system. Click subscribe if you're not a subscriber. And if you find this valuable, please give us a thumbs up. We really appreciate it. Make it a great day, and we'll talk to you real soon.